Hey everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I have some Christmas DIYs for you. These are really quick and easy little things you can do to spruce up for Christmas or to make some ornaments to give or to have just for your tree and to decorate your home. Some of them are from Dollar Tree, some of them are from Walmart, one of them's from Walmart, one of them's from Dollar Tree, and one of them is we're going to flip a cork board that I got from the thrift store. So stay tuned and see what we do. This first ornament, this is going to be a keepsake ornament. I got these 6 little snowflake ornaments from Walmart, and they were $1.98 for 6, and we're going to make it into a cute little keepsake. You can just use them as is. I have the ones here as they came packaged with the red bow on them. And now for my tree, I'm using different colors, so I just changed out the bow and put a ribbon to match my colors. How we're going to make it personalized is we're going to put something on the back of it. So I went to my Cricut and I cut out some labels. We were going through some stuff on my mom's, and we found a copy of her birth certificate, and we found on the back of it, it had a fingerprint, her mother's fingerprint. So this is my grandma Lily's fingerprint, and I printed it on just a sticky label on my Cricut, and I put some clear contact paper over it to make it permanent. And here I have a copy of my mom's fingerprint that we got. You know, she recently passed away, so I'm just going to make a little keepsake of it so I can have her fingerprint and my grandma's fingerprint on my Christmas tree. But I just cut it out. I just set it up in my Cricut to print and cut. So I made them the circle. I just measured my ornament, and these little ornaments are 1.5 inches wide. So I put a circle in my Cricut 1.4 inches wide and put the fingerprint in the middle, and then put her name and covered it with this sticky contact paper, ran it through my Cricut, and it cut out all the perfect circles for me. And then all you have to do is just peel off the backing from your sticker, which is really the hardest thing to do. And then we're just going to position that right in the center on the back, and that makes a cute little ornament. Now you can buy the circle stickers already cut into a circle. You can get those at Staples. You may be able to get them at Walmart. I haven't looked for them. Or if you have a Cricut, it's really simple to set up the circle and position the fingerprint and put the name on it. And if you have little kids, you could just take their finger, put it in some ink, do it on the circle sticker, and then put the contact paper over it, and you would have a nice little gift to put on your tree or to give somebody. So I thought that was really cute, and it's kind of meaningful to, well, you know, for me and my family, it's kind of meaningful. So here's a little set I made for my sister. But we had a big discussion about deciding whether should we put Mama and Grandmama on there. And then we decided, well, you know, if these are handed down along and along, nobody will know who Grandma and Grandma were. Grandma and great-grandma, or Mama and Grandma. So we went ahead and put the names on there. So those are the 2 for my sister, and then these are 2 for me. So you just center it on the back. And I made the sticker just slightly smaller than the back of my circle, so I wouldn't have to worry about it hanging over the edges. So there's Lily, and then I can do one with my mommy Leela. My grandma's name was Lily, my mom's name was Leela, and my sister's middle name is Leanne, and my middle name is Lynn, so I guess L was a big letter in our family. So there we go. Okay, this next DIY is really simple. I got this cool charger plate. I'm not sure where this came from. Oh, Hobby Lobby. It was $1.99, and they have really nice charger plates in Dollar Tree, Michael's, different places. You can get them for $1 or $1.99. I'm sure I had a coupon. But anyway, and then I got the poster board sticker sheets from Dollar Tree. This is the glitter ones, and since my sister's doing the black and white check and red accents, I cut out an M, which is her initial, and I'm just going to put it in the middle. And since this is sticker, it'll stick right on here. I won't have to use any glue or anything. And I did this on my Cricut, but if you don't have a Cricut, you could trace this out and then cut it out by hand. You could do a simpler design. Or you could just print one off the internet and trace it on. And or if you don't have sticker paper, you could do it on any kind of paper. Let's see. I think I'm going to use some transfer tape on this so that I can keep the shape. Oh. So when you cut this out on your Cricut, usually before I take it off my mat, I put the transfer tape on it, but I forgot to do that this time. So let me find a knife. I don't have my scissors handy, but this is just clear transfer tape, and I like to just put it on my arm to make it a little less sticky. And I just want to put that on my M so it'll hold its shape. Then we're just going to take our plate and we're going to put this in the center. Let's see how I want this to be. And there we have a decorated charger. Put it in a little stand, and then we can put a little sprig of greenery down here with a bow on it maybe, and then we have a nice little decorative piece for Christmas. Okay, for our next DIY, we're going to take this huge cork board that I picked this up at Goodwill for $4.95. And we are going to wrap it up like a present to make a wall hang. My sister has a big fireplace in her living room, and it usually she has a Charleston print over the fireplace, but she wanted something for Christmas, so I got this tablecloth from Dollar Tree. This is one of the flannel backed ones, not one of the paper ones. And all we're going to do is wrap this up just like it was a present. Okay, so we got that all nice wrapped up. And then I use my Cricut once again. And if you don't have a Cricut, you could freehand something, draw it on here. You could trace it on here, paint it, make sticker letters. But I use my Cricut, and I got some nice iridescent vinyl and the word believe. And I think that, let's see, I want to line this up. And this is nice fabric here, material, because it has lines on it, so I can see where I kind of want to line it up with this right here. So, get this off my Cricut mat. Okay, now I know what all you're saying. You're saying, oh, you put that in the wrong place. It's too far over. It's not, because I'm going to put a bow on. And I'm going to put it right on that side over there. I got this nice black and white check. I decided I thought it needed a little brightness in the bow there, so I stuck in a sprig of berries and some greenery. That's my 3 DIYs. The cute little ornaments, you can easily make these with or without Cricut. You could print these out if you just have an inkjet printer on the little round address labels. Stick them on here and cover it with clear contact paper, but it does make it a lot easier if you do have a Cricut. You can freehand the M, you could paint one on here, you could put stickers on it, you can put the window clings from Dollar Tree on a charger plate and make a nice little decoration, and this would be cute with some greenery or a bow down here. And then if you just took a big foam core board, wrapped it with some pretty wrapping paper, put a saying on it or some of the window clings, or even if it's just a pretty gift bag, you can make a really pretty wall hanging. So remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. So get out there and start decorating for Christmas, y'all. It's coming. See you next time. Bye-bye.